How to get student discount on Singapore Airlines. So as you can see, there are three different steps. So the first one is to join Chris Flyer. As you can see, as a Chris Flyer member, you'll earn miles for your flights on Singapore Airlines and enjoy benefits such as complimentary in-flight Wi-Fi, and as you can see, best of all, registration is free. So you're gonna have to simply go enjoy Chris Flyer. As you can see, we have here the registration form to be a Chris Flyer member. So you're gonna have to simply enter your title, first give a name, last family name, your date of birth, and then here you're gonna have to simply add some of your contact information. Then here you're gonna have to create your password, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you sign up for Christopher membership using the button above, you'll be asked to verify your student status after registration. If you already have a Christopher account, log in and select the button below to get verified. And as you can see, you only need to do this once a year. And then as you can see, to enjoy your privileges, always search for phrase fares through their dedicated student page. You must be logged in with a verified student status in order to be able to find those deals. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.